Hi, this is Pam with Cool Springs Wine and Spirits. In support of social distancing, we are bringing you your Daily Quaran-tini. Today's drink is a dirty martini. First of all, we're going to fill a mixing glass with ice, and our first ingredient is going to be vodka. We're using a premium vodka broken shed, and we're going to add 2 ounces to the mixing glass. So we just do 1 and 2. And since it's a dirty martini, we're going to add a little bit of olive brine to this. This is really just the juice from olives, but you can purchase the brine here at the store. I'm going to take a mixing spoon and stir this around. Some people like to shake their martinis. I prefer to stir and strain, which are what we're going to do today. You have your martini glass already chilling. What you want to do is pour the ice out, and then I have some dry vermouth. I put it in a little spray bottle, and I'm going to just spray the glass a few times with the dry vermouth so you get more of the vodka flavor, and then strain it into your martini glass. And to top it off, you're going to use olives. I always use 3 olives. Using Filthy's brand olives for these, and you have a delicious dirty martini. Cheers.